Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare a healthy salad to feed your family on a tiring day, which is a Karnataka dish. This salad is prepared mostly on festivals in a Kannadigan family. Let's see how to prepare this salad. Heat a pan, drizzle some oil, and once the oil is hot, add 1 dry red chilli, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 finely chopped green chilli, few curry leaves. Mix well. Finally, add Asafoetida. Mix everything. Switch off the flame and cool this tampering. Now take a mixing bowl, add 2 cucumbers finely chopped, 1 medium-sized carrot grated, 1 cup fresh coconut, 2 tablespoons of Moong Dal which is soaked in water for 15 minutes, handful of coriander leaves, half a lemon squeezed, 2 tablespoons approximately of lemon juice. Finally, add the prepared tampering. Mix well to combine everything. Make sure the tampering is mixed with the salad. Finally, add the salt just before serving. Adding salt earlier oozes out the water and makes the salad turn soggy. So make a note to add salt only before serving. Now mix everything to combine the salt properly. And that's it. Here you go. Our cucumber salad is ready to serve. You can have this salad for lunch or as an evening snack with some hot coffee. Do try and let us know if you have liked this recipe in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!